How to use Vibrance in Photoshop. That's what we're going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have. And also don't forget to watch our previous tutorials for all the apps and find our playlists for each app. And let's get started right now. Using Vibrance adjustment layer allows you to modify or edit the color vibrance in a photo. So let's use it and see how does it affect this nature photo. Let's go to the circle here, black and white circle, click on it in order to create an adjustment layer. Choose Vibrance, double click here, and then drag this pointer under the Vibrance to the right in order to increase the vibrance. As you can see, vibrance of the photo is increasing, or decrease it to the minimum. As you can see, let's increase the vibrance to see what happens and go to like plus 60. Yeah, as you can see, the photo is more vibrant and has more vibrant colors. Let's, for example, see the before and after. This is the before and this is the after of the photo. It makes the photo more vibrant and more living and makes it much more beautiful with much better color. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.